Look at the guy in the elevator. Ready? Here we go! I can hear you.
But you'll wonder what the heck you've just been doing. We're only in the seconds. You okay there, fella?
Huh?
You okay?
Yeah?
What are you doing on your feet? Not sure. Don't worry about it, fella. Have a seat over here. Have a seat just there next to me. Hands and sing along. As the more noise you make, the more outrageous they become. You alright there, folks? What are you doing on your feet? Oh, and she's back. Please put your hands together and welcome live to the stage the one, the only, the queen of pop. It's Madonna. The second that music stops though, you'll wonder what the heck you've just been doing. You okay? What are you doing on your feet? What are you doing on your feet? You don't know. Don't worry about it. Have a seat there next to Greg. Don't you worry.